Yeah.
It was the outline of their body.
Captive audience.
Okay.
Dave? Help me out.
Here's how I remember it. Douglas, where's your mother? Getting a little bit tired about, I don't know, what's her name? Julie, being so heavily guarded. I may head towards yon upper deck.
Dave, I'm tired of your tales of yore.
And then, I go, what does Mom mean when she talks like Yoda?
I've spent a fortnight with you. I wish no further.
A little son of a bitch are you? So I said, Mom, don't you realize every time you call me a son of a bitch, you're making fun of yourself? She hit me with 75, am I?
I said, Dave, finish your scroll. This is not about us, it's about me and Mom in your battle. I went to grab Dave. I went,
and then I said, Uncle Fred me, don't you do?
I carried myself backwards, and then an impression was made all along here. You can actually, look at it. It's still there. Then at that point, Dave and I panicked. They go, "Oh my God, what do we do? What Dallas we do?"
Well, a picture of Julie do I have? Crown shall not fall by our evilness.
Let me help you.
Hey, young brother.
Up there, we'll work together to get this problem solved.
Yon light we turn off. Our work here is done. Blame her, they won't.
Thank you.